Hi everyone. So let's first figure out what file I/O means. File I/O just simply means reading data from files and writing data to files. So different from the temporary keyboard and screen data, I think file can let us to save data permanently, and so that our program's information won't disappear after we stop the program. And next, it's the to check what we need to check is while using file I/O is we only need to check two key header files. So first fstream and it's iOS I/O streams. And so fstream is for file operations and I/O streams for basic input and output. And also we must add using namespace to make our code work correctly. And then and now there's like 5 steps of file IOs. So step 1 is to create like a stream object, and the step 2 is to open the file with the stream opened code, and the next will be just check errors with the stream file to avoid program crashes. And then the next step would be to read the data and to write data just using the cin and cout basically. And the final step will be just close the data, close the file with the stream closed when we finished. And there are two writing modes for files. So the default mode would pretty much just overwrite all the old content and file. And so if we want to add new contents to the end file without deleting the data, so use the os dot here append, and some other quick rules for file IO would be using first is to clear IO using get hyphen parentheses and put parentheses to read and write a single character, and use while to stop reading at the end of the file. And then when using stream in the functions, we must use the end passed by the reference, and then never skip the checking if the file opens successfully. So that's the most common mistakes. And so that's for like a basic rundown for file IO in C++. Thanks for watching.